Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix FIFA 23 starting error on PC. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to find basically where your game is located. For me is on disk C, and if you don't know how to find it, depending on what app you got the game, for example, if you got from EA app, what you need to do here is to go to the game and then manage, and then you just need to view properties, and then here you can browse the files. But nevertheless, once you find the files, for me it's on program files, EA games, FIFA, and then you should see these two files. So first one is easy anti-cheat game service launcher.dll, and then you need to right click on it, go to properties, then digital signatures, select this option, details, view certificate, and install certificate, current user, and then finish. The same thing with a easy anti-cheat game service launcher, properties, digital signatures, details, view certificate, install certificate, current user, automatically select the certificate store based on the type of certificate, and then press finish. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you're getting starting error. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.